What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. So, Maxi, what we about to do today? Same thing we do every day. We about to check on the markets, about to see the performance, how the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. We about to check on our positions. Okay, you can compare just as always. I put my positions out there with you. That way you can compare to see how good, bad, sideways, ugly, however you want to call them, how we are doing. Because the purpose of this channel is for us to make money, and it's always a good thing to track your records, track how everything is going, how your prices from where your entry is, if you are going up, if you are going down, the profit. It's always a good thing to do that. And also we are going to look at prices in details, because I told you guys, quant is happening, Jasmine is happening, guys. Everything is beginning to happen, just like we've been saying for the past forever. All right, so yeah, before we do that, it's funny. You know how some people, you have something right in front of them, right in front of them, still they cannot see it. A lot of investors, they rather go for meme coins. I'm not saying meme coins cannot make you money. uh, Excuse me. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying meme coins cannot make you money. But somebody like me, I'd rather go to an asset that I have much more control of. Something like, let's take for example Casper. Casper, again, for me, is still on testnet, guys, because we don't have the smart contracts yet. Although the KRC20, guys, they are about to get released. KRC20, they are coming in hot, bro. They are coming in really, really hot. And that, a lot of people are going to buy meme coins on them or whatever they're doing, which is okay. I'm going to look for a couple projects on them, probably mainly on the DeFi. On the DeFi, which I will start going after the bull run. I just, like I told you guys, in this bull run, I'm only going to concentrate on 3 coins: Casper, Jasmine, and Coins. I'm going to concentrate on that. That's how we're going to make money on spot and on leverage. Okay, after the bull run or towards the end of the bull run, I will let you guys, my next step. I will let you guys know. So yeah, me looking at Casper, I see things like Ethereum, when it was like what, $5-10. That's where Casper is right now. And once these smart contracts kick in, guys, it's funny because it's just right there in front of you, and yet a lot of people don't see it. It's right in front of you. Take examples. Some people usually compare it to Cardano. See how boring Cardano was until they announced smart contracts. What happened to Cardano? Solana was a shit coin right from the get go. But as soon as they said they were doing smart contracts, as soon as they said that they were doing implementing smart contracts, look at what happened to that shit coin. It jumped. Again, it's like the ecosystem is what determines a coin. But Casper, guys, Casper has that special sauce. Understand? It's like when you eat the chicken and you have the special sauce on it. It doesn't taste like the other chicken anymore. It's still the same chicken, but tastes way better because Casper solved the trilemma. And on top of solving the trilemma, is extremely fast. Wait until they implement the Dark Knight, which is something coming on next year. It's going to be even insanely fast, faster than fast. So again, there are examples out there that show you. Let's say Tron, Tron, for example, Tron is cheaper than Ethereum. Excuse me a second. Excuse me. Okay, just like that. Where was I? Anyways, now you got to look at things like Tron. Tron, before smart contracts, it wasn't that good. Tron made smart contracts, and on top of that, Tron is faster than Ethereum. Being faster than Ethereum is cheaper than Ethereum. And look at the transaction volumes going on Tron. See how the Tron itself. Go look at the price for Tron. Okay, let me just show you right quick. Let's go right here, and I am going to try to coin Gecko, and I'm going to look for Tron right quick. Tron. Look at this. I'll show you something right quick. Tron, and then go here, max. Look at that. You see the chart? Tron chart looks so bullish right now because they announced the smart contracts, they introduced a stable coin, and that being produced. Once they introduced the stable coin, what happened? Look at that. The chart started running crazy, guys. It started to run so crazy. Tron is taking most of the transaction volume in the crypto industry now. Tron is beating Ethereum, beating Solana right now. So again, what do you think will happen when smart contracts get added to Casper? Price is going to have that same effect. The price is going to jump. Stablecoin are going to get added, and Casper will take all that share from them. I'm telling you, it's going to happen. Again, hidden in plain sight. It's right there, right in front of a lot of people, but 99% of people are going to miss it. Let's go with Quant. People are so bearish on Quant right now. It's not even funny. But when you zoom out, okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Look at what Quant is working on. I said it yesterday. Competition for Quant is not Chainlink. It's not XRP. Quant is competing with the big boss, the Swift system. That is where Quant is heading. Big money, guys, big money like banks, they are going to come running in, okay, into Quant. Like, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain this. Everybody knows where we are going. Everybody knows we are transitioning. The form that we are transacting right now, we are all going digital. Digital means paper money. Paper money is probably going to take a little while for it to be completely extinct. Just like gold money got completely extinct, paper money is going to go out. We are transitioning to digital money. And everybody, I keep saying it, do not look at Quant price action right now, guys. Don't do that. You gotta look at Quant, the price action. Oh my God. Banks are not going anywhere, guys. Banks are going to adapt. Banks are going to adapt. And for them to adapt, not everybody, like, okay, let me tell you this. Everybody is not going to hold Casper. Everybody is not going to hold Bitcoin. Everybody is not going to hold Ethereum or whatever shit coins they have. There's going to be variety. And banks are going to adapt. Sooner than later, you're going to hear banks saying, you know what? We can custody your crypto. That way you don't lose your passcode, your passphrase, whatever. We can hold it for you. You see? And that is what I'm telling you guys. Grandpa at home, they don't know how to use the ledger. They don't know how to use the Tangent wallet, Trust wallet. They don't know that. They only trust the bank. And soon, a lot of people don't know. I can tell you right now, when you look at the crypto wallets, 99% of the entire world does not know how to use Tangent wallet. But they do trust their banks. And that is where Quant is looking at. Guys, trust me, this is going to be amazing when this thing starts. It is going to be crazy, crazy beyond your comprehension. I'm telling you, Quant right now, market cap close to $1 billion or 1 billion, something like that. You're about to see Quant go to $400 billion, $450 billion in a record time. And when that happens, one Quant will be worth above $30,000. Just one Quant. Just watch and you will see. We will sit here and we'll watch this video again, and I'll be the one to tell you, I told you so. You only needed 100 Quant, because first there's going to be a supply shock, which you, on staking, you can make anything between 60 you can make anything between $60 to $100,000 on staking rewards. It is coming. It's almost there. Now, it's right there, right in front of you, and a lot of people still don't see it. Quant at 30,000, if you hold 100,000, that is $3 million. You can choose to continue staking, or you can choose to have $3 million in your pocket. It's a question of time. It's going to happen. Same goes to Jasmine. Jasmine, a lot of people call it crazy. For me, this run, I'm going to trade Jasmine, and then I will look at how it's going to act in the after this bull run. But the lockup is coming, and what I'm seeing, what I'm hearing is like the more you lock up with them, the more rewards you get. It's just like an APY something. So if they do that, the supply shock on Jasmine is going to be crazy. I don't want to go too far. I'm telling you guys, it's right there, right in front of you, and still 99.9% of people are not seeing this. All you gotta do is pay attention, and you will see. Anyways, now let's go and look at the market right quick, see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's look at crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right here. Okay, as you can see, we're still a little bit red for the last hour, but for the past day, the market is trying to pick up a little bit, just like we talked about yesterday. Let's look at the coins that we're dealing with in this My Millionaire journey, which are King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Starting with Casper, KAS. We see that here. Okay, look at Casper. Let's go right there, right here. For the past 1 hour, we down 1.5%. On the day, we're down 0.2%. On the week, we're down 3.3%. 8.6% down on the month, and 298% up on the year. Okay, now let's go look at Quant, QNT. We have QNT, Quant, right now. See, like I told you guys yesterday, it's happening. If you can look at it, for the past 1 hour, we down 0.3%. On the day, we up 1.5%. 0.7% up on the week, 14.6% down on the month, and 35.3% down on the year. You look at that number, it's still dropping, so we are getting closer, going down to be turn into the positive. And now look at Jasmine, JAS. Let's look at this. Jasmine. Now we look at that. Would you see that? Amazing. For the past hour, 0.2%. On the day, 0.7% up, 2.6% up on the week, 29.8% down on the month, 514% up on the week. On the year. See that? Just like I told you guys, it was going to happen, and we are going to see that in a quick second. Now let's go look at the trading view right quick. Okay, I like to look at the prices and the details. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, let's go look at checkout trading view, because yesterday, if you guys remember, excuse me, if you guys remember yesterday, I told you this price is getting ready for something, and exactly like I told you guys, is what is happening. So let's go look at trading view right quick. Trading view right here. All right, we're gonna start with Jasmine since I already have it on screen. So this chart right here for Jasmine is for the last 1 hour. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. If you remember, I told you guys that we were going to fight, trying to fight to break above the ribbon. Okay, break above the ribbon and try to break above the moving average. And that's exactly what happened. See, price went up, got down again, we tried again. Now again, we are breaking above the moving average, which is the 200. And the good thing about this, we are also above the moving ribbon. Yet, like I said, I am not that bullish yet on Jasmine until I see this close above this important resistance, this here, which is around 2.3 cents. So far we are doing good. We touch the support, we are going up. Okay, we're going up. I'm expecting Jasmine to do this in the upcoming days. Jasmine is about to go up to retest that 2.3 cents. Okay, now if you look at it on the weekly, what I did, guys, I go on the monthly and I drew a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, on the, let me try to go on the monthly. I drew a Fibonacci retracement on the monthly to try to go from the all-time high, the recent all-time high, to the recent all-time low. Okay, when I did that, this is what I found, guys. You will not believe what you're about to see. The price action for Jasmine screams bullish, guys. Screams so bullish, because like you can see, we are still in the red zone, which means the next, like I've always told you guys, even the charts don't lie, the next price action is going to be right here, 9-10 cents. Now we about to break this line. Once we break it, the next price action is the golden pocket, which is around 15 cents. I've told you guys countless number that we about to get that 15 cents. 15 cents, if we break above it and turn it into support, normally there usually be a rejection. Okay, we're gonna reject it, we're gonna get rejected there, come back and retest that 9 to 10 cents and take off from there. But if you can see, 20 cents, guys, 20 cents right there, 20 cents, and then the next resistance will be around 30 cents. See that? So yeah, all this movement you're looking at right now, all this is just the beginning of a bigger move. And a bigger move, as you can see, first the target of this bullish bull flag, which is gonna be right there, almost right there on the golden pocket. So guys, you don't want to miss this. You want to get ready for this price action. Now let's go look at King Casper right quick. We see again, I'm still telling you, I'm still a little bit bearish on Casper, I mean on Jasmine, until we get that 2.3 cent taken care of. But let's go on Casper. Go here, Casper. Wow. Let me go on the 1 hour first. There, yesterday we talked about this, and it's exactly what is happening with Casper. What did I tell you guys? The resistance up here, we're gonna try it, and we're gonna try the moving average. And look at what Casper did. Casper broke above. I told you guys yesterday, you saw the ribbon was curving. You see that we broke above it. Casper went all the way up, retested that resistance at 16.3, 16.4, retested at the same time the moving average and got rejected. Again, what I'm expecting Casper to do, look at it, the signs are there. You see the ribbon still curving. So Casper is gonna go again, guys. We're gonna go try this again. This time, if we are lucky enough, break it, turn it into support, and up we go. Look at it on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hour is even more clearer. Look at this. See, look at the ribbon clearer. See how the ribbon is curving. Casper broke out, tried it, got rejected, came back down. I'm telling you guys, next thing I'm going to see, I'm expecting Casper to curve, go into the triangle, go and try this resistance at 16.8, 16.9. By then, the moving average, 200 moving average, should be either right there. And to break it and this resistance all at once is like killing two birds in one shot. And exactly that's what's about to happen. And I tell you guys, this is price action you don't want to miss. Today the government, they had the one of the meetings, and it looks like it went really good, because like every price action is beginning to try to go upwards. I told you guys, the next 3 months you are going to make an insane amount of money. Look at the same option. That's what we talked about yesterday. Came back, touched it. Now look at that, we're going up. I'm expecting Casper to break this resistance, turn it into support, and start to go up. okay, start to go up. And again, we have the KRC20. They've been just announced. They are coming, guys. There's a lot of money to be made, and you do not want to miss. You do not want to miss this. Again, look at that. When you go on the daily, I'm gonna go on the daily right quick. See, everything screams bullishness for Casper. Everything. So right now, I'm expecting for it to go up. Retry it. The first one is gonna be that 16, 17 cents. Go up. We're gonna have 18.2, but the ultimate is gonna be here. That 19 cents. That 19 cents is a lot of resistance, but with enough volume with this KRC20 coming, I think we are going to break this, go try the all-time high at 21 cents, and from there we go. I told you guys, KRC20s are going to drive Casper to probably 40 or 50 cents in the upcoming 2 months, 2 or 3 months. You're about to see it. So again, this you're looking at right here is just the beginning of a bigger price movement. Understand? Everybody expecting crash. This was the crash. Look at how quick it got bought. They bought it right back up to continue. Right now, Casper is gearing up. It's gearing up for something really, really huge. Anyways, now let's go back to Quant right quick. QNT. I know a lot of people have a lot of hate for this coin, but I'm telling you guys, it's big treasure box hidden right in plain sight, and people don't see it. But anyways, let's go right quick. Quant right here on Binance. Again, yesterday we talked about this. I told you guys this is what is going to happen. And if you put in a position yesterday, congratulations, because right now you are probably up. You're probably up what a lot of people were not expecting. I told you guys this line, I'm on the daily by the way. This line was a big resistance. Now we flipped it into support. Look at that. I told you guys we are going to try the $65 Quant price, and that's exactly what happened. Look at that. Right now, I told you, look at the ribbon. Ribbon is curving. This means price is about to go. You look at it and go look at the RSI and the MACD. Everything is screaming that Quant is getting ready for the leg up. When they announced those staking on their terms and conditions, when they updated it, a lot of people are beginning to pay attention. So they are piling up on their coins. Like I told you guys, all you need minimum is 100 Quant coins if you want to make substantial amount of money. You can have any amount you want, but 100, guys, will keep you from working from the 9 to 5. They will take you away from it, because if you're making $100,000, anything like $70,000 to $100,000 for free, why do you need to work? You cannot have a part-time job and the rest of the time spend you with your family. But yeah, this is exactly what is happening right now. Let me go down to the 1 hourly so you can see. I'll show you right quick. Let's go 1 hour. See that? Yesterday, let me zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom out so you can see. Here. Yesterday, if you look at my video, I told you yesterday we were here. We were going to break above. Look at that. That is insanely crazy that it is happening as predicted. A lot of people they don't like to see technical analysis, but technical analysis is very, very useful. As you can see, we broke above the ribbon, broke above the moving average. Okay, we broke down again, broke above it, retested it again, and now guess what? We're going up to right to the resistance. Like I told you guys, $64, $65 on Quant is a big resistance. So right now we're getting rejected. I'm expecting probably come down, test the ribbon one more time, and this time go and break it. Quant is going up, and all this price action you're looking at right now is just the meantime. It's not the main concentration. I told you guys, okay, you got to zoom out, because all I did, like I do every time, I like to draw the fib retracement. When you draw the retracement from the all-time high to the all-time low on the run, it kind of gives you like what do you say it, an idea of what is about to happen in the price. Understand? It gives you an idea of that. Once you do that, you start to get, plan your positions. You look at this. All this you're looking at here, I told you guys, is just an idea of what is about to happen, because price is about to go up. The first problem or the first resistance is right here, 124, 125. Once we break that, next resistance is here at $190, $200. Again, you have the golden pocket, guys. Golden pocket's almost $300. We might have a rejection here and come back to retest probably that 200 at 235, 240, and then take off from there. But all this you're looking at right now, guys, is just the noise, the calm before the storm, just like they usually say. Anyways, again, I do not condone leverage trading. Yeah, I do not condone leverage trading. That is, if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money so quickly before you can even blink your eyes. Okay, therefore, please, just buy the coins. Excuse me. Just buy the coins on spot. But if you are confident enough and you know what you're doing, below I do have the links of Bydfi and Phemex. Sign up, start trading. Again, you can follow me, follow somebody, or do you. It don't really matter to me. What matters to me is that you make money. That's why we are here in this my millionaire journey. Okay, but now let's go check on my positions right quick. Let's go look at my Bydfi first. Bydfi right here. Let it load up. As you guys know, we've been fighting again, going sideways. Look at that. We've just been going sideways, 9,700 USDT. So yeah, we're just going sideways. Looking at the contracts, you can see right here. Whoa, my quant is positive. My quant is positive, guys. Is going up. Again, I told you guys price action was taking place. So yeah, we're going positive. My quant position, I am up 1%, which is $135. It's going up, taking off slowly. My Casper position, I am still down. Anyway, it went up because I was down yesterday minus negative 22%. But today I'm still down, but a little bit better position at negative 14%, which is around $380. So yeah, we're doing good. But you have to look at the bigger picture, guys, because I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to make people a lot of money. On my quant, I have my take profit at $5,000, which if it gets there, is going to make me almost $1.2 million. Yet, even if it doesn't, let's just say I decide I don't want to keep it that long, and quant goes up to 1,500. At 1,500, this position will make me $360,000, which, guys, I can guarantee you this will happen. It will happen before the peak of the bull run. So yeah, again, this quant position is my long-term position. Casper, minimum Casper at $5, this thing will make me $328,000. But I already told you guys, Casper is going to $10. At $10, this thing will make me $668,000, as you can see right there. Yeah, I strongly believe this is the case that is going to happen. But anyways, now let's go look at my Phemex. My Phemex right quick. Right here. Let me sign in. Okay, on my Phemex, as you can see, my position is still going sideways. I'm still here overall at $14,000, just like that. If you're looking at my contracts right quick, I told you guys I'm still a little bit bearish on Jasmine. Therefore, my Jasmine position is still low. I'm still down minus 16%. It's doing better because yesterday I was negative 27%, something like that when I checked it. As you can see, it's doing pretty good. On my Casper, I'm still down negative 9%. Okay, again, I'm not worried because I know these positions they're about to take off, and then you will see, because once you start looking at Jasmine, let's start with Casper. By the time Casper gets to the next all-time high, which is the all-time high was 21 cents, this position will make me 3,400. And but like I told you guys, smart contracts are going to drive Casper to 40 or even 50 cents. So by 40 cents, this position will make me $30,000. So yeah, these are things I'm looking at. Or even at 50 cents, this position will make me 38,000. So that's something you got to keep in mind on. And this is the time that you really have to start making these moves right now. Okay, so yeah, it's hidden right in front of you. It's hidden in plain sight. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of determination. So for you to be able to see these gains happen, it's not going to happen overnight. We're talking about, like I said, for the next 2 to 3 months That's what we're talking about. So yeah, 99.9% of people are not going to see it. But if you pay attention to everything going on around you, you will see it. Understand? So, that being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Comments. I do respond to most, or if not every comment. Okay. And another thing is like that leads me to understand, trying to understand what you think about this particular subject, and also share the videos, because when you share them, the YouTube machine or whatever you call it tend to put it in front of other investors who are like you and me, who are trying to go from zero to a millionaire status. That be said, guys, please be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.